Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part in FreeCAD with the help of Part Design Workbench. This tutorial is for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD, and we will explore the Part Design Workbench of a FreeCAD. So this is a very simple part which we will design with respect to the dimensions, and as you can see that I have already did it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website macnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. And here I will insert my body, and I will on my origin plane, and we will create our first sketch on a top plane. So we will select the top plane and click on the sketch. Now we will go to the model tab and of our origin, and we will create a simple rectangle, and we will give the dimensions. As we can see that this is a 72 and width is a 35 if we add the radius. So we will make it symmetric. We will select this point, and this middle point, and give the horizontal dimension of 72 and vertical dimension of 35. Now we will go to the task tab, close on the sketch, and now we will create the pad of 10 mm. Select the sketch, click on the pad and give the 10 mm, and now we will remove the material here. So for this we will select the right face and click on the sketch, and now we will switch to the isometric, and here we will create a small rectangle. So we will switch to the right plane, click on the project geometry, project this and bottom one, and now we will create a rectangle, and now we will give the dimensions. So this one is a 5 mm, which we can see here. So we will give the horizontal dimension of a 5 mm, and vertical is a 6 from this edge. So we will select this point and this point and give the 6 mm, and we will close it. Click on the pocket, select through all, say OK, and now we have created this cut, and now we will create this profile on this face. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and this is the rear view. So we will make it normal, and first thing which we will do is we will project this geometry, and first thing which we will create a circle, and this is of a diameter 30. So we will select it and give it a diameter of 30 mm, and from the center it is a 60 mm, which we can see here from the bottom edge. So here we have our origin point, and we will select this and give the vertical dimension of 60, and now we will draw the two vertical lines at the two sides. So select the line tool, and here select the line tool, and add the tangency. Similarly add the tangency, and now select this point and this arc and give the constraint. Select this point and this one and give the constraint. And now we will select a 3-point arc and create one arc, and we will add the tangency relation here. Add the tangent, similarly add the tangent, and from the bottom select this and add the tangent, and select this and add the tangent, and this and this radius are the equal, so we will give the equal constraint, and this one is a R15, so we will select it and give the radius 15 mm. And now we will select the line tool and close this profile. And now here is a one constraint is conflicting, so we will select on it and we will say it delete. So our sketch is fully constrained, so we will close it and we will give the pad of 8 mm, because total is a 13 is 5. And here one thing which we will do is to trim this geometry, so we will again go to the sketch and select the trim options and we will trim it. Now close it, click on the pad, click on the reverse, give the 8 mm and click on OK. Now you might seeing here a line because this face and this face is not merged, so select on the pad and go to the refine options and set it true. So you can see that now it has been removed and this is completely merged. And now the next feature which we will do is to create this pad. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project this outer edge. So click on the project geometry and click on the circle options and create a circle. Click on OK, and now create the pad of 5 mm. So select the sketch, click on the pad and give the 5 mm, click on OK. Now we will again use the refine tool, so go to the refine and set it true. And now the next thing which we will do, we will create this rib which we are seeing in the middle. So for this we will press the space bar and on our origin plane, and we will select this mid plane YZ and click on the sketch, and we will again go here and off our origin plane, and for better visibility we will switch to the wireframe and we will project these edges. And now I will select the line tool and create a line, create a triangle and close the profile. And here is an angle of a 60 degrees, so we will select these two lines and create the angle of a 60 degree. Click on close, and from here switch to the flat lines, and here is a thickness is of 10 mm, so we will click on the pad, and from here we will select symmetric to the plane and click on OK. So we have created the rib, and now we will create this hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and this hole is of dia 12. So we will create a circle and select the diameter option and give it 12. Now we will close it. So this is the hole. You can use the hole tool or pocket tool. So let's do it with a hole. So here diameter is of 12, end condition is a true all. Say OK. Now the next thing which is remain is to create a fillet of 12 mm, which we can see here. So we will select these two edges and click on the fillet and give here the 12 mm, click on OK. Now we will create these two holes of dia 12. So we will select the face and click on the sketch and we will project these two fillet edges. So click on the project geometry and create a circle and give both as a equal constraint and select the diameter and give it 12. Click on close. Now we will select the hole tool and diameter is a 12 and we will set it through all. Click on OK. Now you can see that we have successfully converted this 2D drawing into the 3D model, and of course this 3D view might be drawn in some other softwares, but you can see that FreeCAD is capable to do the same, and it has the equal modeling potential as compared to other 3D software in a market. So this is all about this tutorial, how to use part design workbench for the part modeling in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.